this video. YouTube.com/rockinguitarlessons1. This is what happens in the gross house. We have cats that like to hump stuffed animals. You want me to scratch his butt to get him going?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Sherry would speak to us one final time of his self-administrative segregation.
He's not really humping it. He's just, well.
Oh, you keep it on him.
I could make some really bad jokes right now. About the other name for a cat. It is a stuffed rabbit. That is not. That's like weird interracial animal breeding. Whatever floats your boat, Terry. Whatever floats your boat.
Can I video some of this? You know, none of these other guitar teachers offer this on their channel.
This is special.
This is
downright sexy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Daddy. It's on.
Alright, Mom, how long would be
Wait, stay still. Terry?
Oh.
Was that Christian?
Oh, sure shit wasn't me.
Someone's shit. We are the Gross family. Oh, I've been told to hold it sideways.
Oh my god, it smells like jalapeno.
Jalapeno card. That's enough of that.
Denture glue isn't working.
Okay, that's alright.
Well,
I have something else too.
I'm holding my phone the right way now.
I'm just gonna do this. Dad, it looks like Cheech and Chong. Oh, you missed it. Do we have a hot
I have some issues I gotta go work out with the kids. I gotta have about 15 minutes, okay? And then I'm all yours.
With what kids?
All of them. Carly, Nate, all of them.
It's okay, me and Dad close to me. Mom, do you have a hot
Aw, that stuffed animal's like, this feels so good.
I know, it's a kitty massage.
Yeah, that stuffed animal's like, yeah, boy.
You want back massage or shoulder?
Yeah, boy. Terry?
He's just gonna go back to doing it again.
Oh, I thought you said the week after. You can have your room. You have your own. You got it worked out. He's in that room.
Fighting's about to start again.
You guys are in that room.
Turn that
No,
off.
for now. So just because the poor little trailer's flooded.
Mom, you're skipping me.
What do you mean?
He's not letting the glue in his mouth. He has to shake it. Look in here.
It's in there, I think.
Where? In that drawer. What drawer?
That drawer. Just keep walking straight and open that drawer.
What? Mom, there's like 5 drawers, right? What are you? Mom.
See that white drawer right there?
In there? Why would Mom, she never gets
Bro. Terry. Say, subscribe and request songs. Oh, I like the Stray Cats. And I like Elvis Presley Hound Dog.
He's like, I'm a chicken.
That's a long kitty.
Mom, watch. In a few minutes, he's gonna start sucking on it.
That's not my friend. It's not my fucking
Dad, can I have your